This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes. Sprinkle cinnamon on a paper towel. You should definitely try this. The benefits will be unlike anything you've experienced before. Here's how it works. Tear off a piece of paper towel and sprinkle a tablespoon of cinnamon on it. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial properties, repels pests, and gives off a pleasant, warm scent. The next ingredient is a bay leaf. Just one is enough. Bay leaves have antifungal properties, improve air quality, and effectively repel pests. Crush the leaf onto the paper. This natural method was taught to me by my aunt from the countryside. Roll the paper up, just like in the video. This form is perfect for further use. Now add a little bit of toothpaste. The toothpaste has a refreshing effect, and its scent also repels pests. Place the rolled up paper in a jar or another container, light the end of it, and after a moment, extinguish the flame. Place the container near a window, door, or next to plants that are vulnerable to pests. The smoke from the mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other unwanted insects, while leaving a lovely, fresh scent in the house. This is a completely natural, safe, and highly effective method. A brilliant way to reduce mosquitoes around your patio. I always prepare this simple trap before the evening starts. I hang it a few yards away from where we sit, and for the rest of the night, I can finally relax in peace. All you need is a regular plastic bottle. Cut it about 1/3 of the way down. Then trim the top part a little more to create a clear funnel shape. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the bottom. The sweet scent attracts mosquitoes because it reminds them of natural energy sources like flower nectar. Next, flip the top part of the bottle upside down and place it neck first into the bottom section to form a simple funnel. Use a heated soldering iron to make 2 small holes near the top of the bottle. Prepare a fairly long piece of string. Thread it through the holes and tie a loop so the trap can be hung easily. Then prepare the bait using a cheap hoppy drink, which releases a strong fermented smell that attracts mosquitoes. Pour it into the bottle. This combination creates a powerful scent that works like an odor trap and draws mosquitoes in from far away. Hang the finished bottle on a tree or fence a few yards away from where you are sitting. The sweet smell attracts mosquitoes very effectively. and once they fly inside, they can't escape. That way, you can enjoy your evening on the patio without annoying bites or mosquitoes buzzing around. This is the strongest mosquito repellent, and you can make it in just 2 minutes. Here's a simple and effective way to get rid of them for good. You only need 3 ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. First, grab a bowl or a pitcher. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of apple cider vinegar, and then 200 milliliters of water. Now add a few sprigs of lavender. If you don't have fresh lavender, lavender essential oil works too. The scent repels flies, mosquitoes, and ticks. Mix everything well. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so the ingredients blend fully. Then strain it through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it around window frames in your home. If you have a balcony door, spray that too. For even better results, mist your curtains or drapes as well. I guarantee, this summer you can forget all about buzzing insects flying around your ears. Mosquitoes start disappearing within the first minute after placing this on your balcony. All you need is a small plate or dish. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda on it, about 3 tablespoons. Baking soda neutralizes odors and naturally absorbs moisture. Then cover it completely with ground coffee. It doesn't matter what kind of coffee you use. The strong smell is overwhelming for mosquitoes, so they stay away. Now grab some matches. Light one and place it directly on the coffee layer. Repeat with a few more, spaced apart. Don't worry if they go out. That's the point. The heat will make the coffee smolder gently, releasing a subtle smoke. This smoke works like a natural barrier, repelling not just mosquitoes but other annoying bugs too. You can place the dish anywhere you plan to relax in the evening. It's a cheap, simple, and completely natural solution that also smells surprisingly nice. Mosquitoes hate this smell. They'll stay far away from you. Store-bought sprays are expensive and full of chemicals that irritate your skin. Let me show you a cheap, homemade, all-natural alternative. Pour 1 1/4 cups of warm water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Its strong, fresh scent effectively repels mosquitoes, which absolutely can't stand it. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. While the aroma is calming for us, it has the opposite effect on mosquitoes. Lavender also soothes the skin and brings relief. Now pour in 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon contains natural oils and acids that mosquitoes can sense from far away. It's one of the most powerful natural repellents. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense, spicy scent is something mosquitoes can't tolerate. It also acts as a preservative for the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for an hour so the ingredients can blend. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your skin before going outside and forget about the itchy bites. Natural, effective, and chemical-free. You need to try this if you want to get rid of a persistent problem. Start with a larger flower pot. Apply glue to the bottom and stick it to a saucer to keep everything stable. Then take 2 smaller pots. Glue one upside down inside the large pot, using the rim, and attach the second one on top of it, this time with the bottom facing down. Fill the space around them with decorative stones. They'll keep everything in place and add a nice visual touch. Into the center pot, add a few tablespoons of ground coffee. Its rich aroma is energizing for people, but repels some unwanted visitors. Now it's citrus time. Slice a lemon and a lime into thick rounds and layer them on the stones. Their sharp, fresh scent purifies the air and stimulates the senses. Add a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling and refreshing effect. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing properties and strong scent that comes with extra benefits. Pour in a little lighter fluid and finally, light the coffee mixture with the oil. The slow-burning smoke keeps mosquitoes away from your balcony or patio. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy summer evenings without annoying insects. Give this trick a try.